Looking for the best rice cookers to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. Zojirushi NHS-06. A great option for those on a budget. While it doesn't have as many features as some other rice cookers, it excels at cooking rice consistently and with minimal effort thanks to its simple one-switch operation. This 3-cup rice cooker has a see-through glass lid, so you can easily monitor your rice as it cooks. It also features stay-cool handles for safe handling. The non-stick cooking pan prevents rice from sticking and makes cleaning up easy. 1 cup of uncooked rice makes about 2 to 3 cups of cooked rice, making it perfect for small households. The rice cooker comes with a measuring cup and spatula, and it's backed by a 1-year warranty. Its compact size makes it easy to store, and it consistently produces fluffy rice with every use. The simple design and sturdy construction focus on reliable performance, even without digital controls or multiple cooking options. Its straightforward design also helps it last longer and work reliably over time. Number 4. Toshiba TRCS01. The TRCS01 excels with its advanced 3D cooking technology and intelligent 6-step cooking process that consistently produces fluffy, restaurant-quality rice. This Toshiba model features 7 pre-programmed settings for various rice types including white, brown, mixed, and short or long-grain rice, plus options for oatmeal and porridge. The Quick Cook feature reduces cooking time to 30 minutes through specialized sensors. The cooker includes practical features like an automatic 24-hour keep warm function and dual programmable delay timers. Its non-stick inner pot and detachable components, including the steam vent and inner lid, make cleaning straightforward. The large steam vent prevents messy overflow while cooking. With a capacity of 12 cups of cooked rice, 6 cups uncooked, it's suitable for family servings. The clear LCD display and simple button interface make operation intuitive and user-friendly. Number 3. CUCKOO CR0675F. This rice cooker excels with its fuzzy logic technology that automatically adjusts cooking parameters based on grain type and quantity. This 6-cup, uncooked, rice cooker offers 13 versatile cooking modes, including options for white rice, GABA rice, porridge, and multi-cook functions for quinoa and oatmeal. The non-toxic non-stick inner pot ensures easy cleaning and durability, while the auto-clean steam function maintains hygiene without manual scrubbing. Its 12-cup cooked capacity makes it ideal for small gatherings, and the keep warm function maintains serving temperature without overcooking. The unit features a modern LCD display, precise measuring accessories, and a detachable inner lid for convenient maintenance. At 10.2 x 11.34 by 14.9 inches and weighing 10 pounds, it's reasonably compact for its capacity. The cooker includes practical features like an excess water drainage tray and preset timer function, backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty. Number 2. Zojirushi NW-JEC18BA. This is our runner-up pick and excels at producing perfectly cooked rice through its combination of pressure cooking and induction heating technology. This Japanese-made rice cooker features advanced AI fuzzy logic that learns and adjusts cooking cycles based on user feedback through its innovative My Rice setting, which offers 49 different ways to customize rice texture. The 10-cup capacity unit comes with multiple specialized cooking modes including white rice, with 5 texture options, umami, mixed, sushi, jasmine, porridge, congee, brown rice, GABA brown, and steel-cut oatmeal. Its iron-coated platinum-infused inner cooking pan ensures even heat distribution and features a durable non-stick coating. The cooker takes approximately 55 minutes for white rice and 90 minutes for brown rice, consistently delivering fluffy, well-textured results. Safety features include multiple fail-safe measures for pressure cooking, an integrated steam vent, and sensors to ensure proper setup. While the unit requires manual cleaning and occupies significant counter space at 14 by 10 by 8 inches, its self-cleaning function helps reduce odors. The clear LCD control panel and intuitive button layout make operation straightforward despite its advanced features. Number 1. CUCKOO CRPST1009FG. This is the best rice cooker you can buy on the market and is backed by a strong Korean brand. It excels at producing consistently perfect rice through its innovative twin-pressure cooking system. This 10-cup, uncooked, capacity cooker features an X-wall diamond-coated non-stick inner pot that ensures optimal heat distribution and durability. The smart algorithm automatically detects grain type and temperature, while 16 operating modes accommodate various cooking needs, including GABA rice, white rice, porridge, and steam functions. The unit's safety features include a quiet automatic pressure release system and an overheating alarm. For convenience, it offers a preset timer function, allowing users to schedule cooking in advance, and an auto-clean feature that steams the interior for thorough cleaning. The detachable inner lid simplifies maintenance, while the voice navigation system provides guidance in English, Chinese, and Korean. At 11.1 inch by 15.3 inch x 11.4 inch, this cooker is reasonably compact given its large capacity. The keep warm function maintains rice at the ideal serving temperature without overcooking. Built with professional-grade components and backed by a 1-year warranty, this Korean-manufactured appliance represents a high-end solution for households seeking restaurant-quality rice preparation. So that sums up my top 5 rice cookers I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.